Welcome to this Room to Evolve Labyrinth Walk Companion. I'm your facilitator, Jessica Goulding. These companion episodes are invitations to walk with both intention and receptivity. This is whether you are tracing a handheld or printed labyrinth or walking one of the thousands of labyrinths around the world. Each walk is an opportunity to pause, notice what life is calling you into right now, and meet yourself exactly where you are before taking the first step. If you're looking for a labyrinth near you, you can search your area at labyrinthlocator.org. And if you're practicing from home, you'll find a downloadable tracing labyrinth in the show notes, along with links to handheld labyrinths for purchase. Paid subscribers to Room to Evolve on Substack have access to printable Labyrinth Walk companion guides. These PDFs include breathwork instructions, inspiring text, and reflection questions to deepen your walk. Check it out on the listen page of roomtoevolve.com. However you arrive here today, know that this walk will unfold exactly as it needs to. Let's begin. This walk is called Wisdom of Nature, and it's inspired by my conversation with Nancy Herlin on the previous podcast episode, Sacred Places and Eco-Spirituality. In it, she tells us a story of waiting for an important phone call, finding a two-pronged stick, and recognizing the message it contained for her. As she described, nature knows us, and it's talking to us all the time. We only have to slow down and pay attention to hear it. For this labyrinth walk, you have a couple options for involving nature. If you're at a full-sized walkable labyrinth indoors, I suggest you prepare for the walk somewhere outside where you can see nature. If you're using a handheld or tracing labyrinth, you might enjoy doing this whole practice outside. And of course, if your labyrinth is full-sized and outside, you're in luck. Let the nature surrounding your labyrinth whisper and show you what she has to share. Before we prepare ourselves, let's warm up the labyrinth. I'll give you a suggestion, and then you can press pause while you take your time engaging with it in any way you see fit. Walk or trace the perimeter of the labyrinth clockwise, moving at a quick pace if you can. Walk as if you're swirling the energy of the labyrinth up and out. Invite Mother Nature, Mother Earth, the winds, the celestial bodies, the things that creep and the things that fly. Call in the plants and the trees, the Holy Spirit, your personal guides, and the wisdom of the labyrinth. Summon divine guidance, consciousness, and protection. When that feels complete, find a comfortable place to sit with a view of your labyrinth. Now, let your breath slowly deepen and lengthen. Soften your eyes. Take in the labyrinth and see your whole area as a sacred space. Your special place on earth right now to tune in, pay attention, and open to insight and divine encounter. Now look at the labyrinth and see its expanse. Take in the whole landscape. What has been your relationship to nature in the past? Do you have any questions in your life right now? Are you facing a decision or about to embark on something new? Is there something you're waiting for? Try not to search for answers, just let things come. And if nothing comes, try to accept that just as it is. You can write down anything that feels important, or simply let it come to mind and hold it lightly. Let's prepare our breath. Sitting comfortably with your gaze resting on nature, Take a long, slow, deep breath in, feeling your body connected with the earth through the chair and your feet. Pause for a moment in the fullness of your inhale and earth connection. Then exhale slowly through pursed lips, as if breathing out through a straw. Imagine everything within you becoming part of the nature that surrounds you. Inhale, feel your body's connection to the earth. Pause, just be in that connection. Exhale slowly through pursed lips, joining your breath with the air and energy around you. Repeat this twice more. Then just notice how you feel. Now listen to this excerpt from The Tables Turned by William Wordsworth. I'll read it twice. Just notice if there's anything that stands out to you or shimmers as you hear it. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher. She has a world of ready wealth, our minds and hearts to bless. Spontaneous wisdom breathed by health, truth breathed by cheerfulness. One impulse from a vernal wood may teach you more of man, of moral evil and of good, than all the sages can. Come forth and bring with you a heart that watches and receives. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher. She has a world of ready wealth, our minds and hearts to bless. Spontaneous wisdom breathed by health, truth breathed by cheerfulness. One impulse from a vernal wood may teach you more of man, of moral evil and of good, than all the sages can. Come forth and bring with you a heart that watches and receives. When you're ready, step up to the labyrinth or plant your finger, stylus, or pencil and begin to walk or trace. As you go, pay attention to everything on your walk, objects in your path, birds, songs, little creatures, everything. Notice the sensations in your body, changes in your breath, and the activity of your mind. Anything you come across on your path is here for you. So notice. When you feel the time is right to begin, I'll be here when you're finished. Just press pause now and enjoy your walk. Welcome back. Please find a comfortable seat and bring any journaling materials you may wish to have. If you are a Room to Evolve paid subscriber, you can download and print the Labyrinth Walk Companion Guide, which includes these journaling prompts along with the process and text you've experienced so far. Now let your gaze soften once again as you recall your Labyrinth Walk. Make some notes of anything that stood out to you or that you want to remember. Press pause and take your time. I also have 4 guiding questions for you to consider. Feel free to reflect on some, all, or none. The theme of the wisdom of nature was present in my walk through. The theme of wisdom of nature was present in my walk through. Movements, sounds, or objects I came across on my path included. Movements, sounds, or objects I came across on my path included. One thing that felt like a communication from nature was. One thing that felt like a communication from nature was. During the walk, I couldn't help but notice. During the walk, I couldn't help but notice. When these reflections feel complete, I encourage you to take a couple intentional breaths, express gratitude for your experience, and move slowly into the rest of your day. I appreciate you spending this time with me and allowing me to walk alongside you in this ancient spiritual practice. I'm always available to receive comments and engage in conversations about this and other practices that you're finding helpful these days. You can reach me through the Room to Evolve Substack messages or send me an email at roomtoevolve@gmail.com. Subscribe to this podcast wherever you listen to podcasts and never miss a monthly walk. May your walks in nature be a conversation, and may that conversation bring you wisdom and insights for your journey ahead. Much love.